In this video, we are going to see how to create dropped shadow in your designs. Now, some of the people say it's not possible to create a drop shadow in Canva. And even if you create, it will not look very realistic, but that's not true. This is where you need to know how to use Canva properly. For example, a lot of people create a drop shadow in this way. I'll go to elements and insert a shape, rectangular shape, and set it to the point, something like this, you can say, and adjust it like this, make it black and reduce the transparency, and then send it to back. So this is kind of a drop shadow that can be created, and obviously you can increase or decrease the transparency to make it more appealing. So if you want to create a simple drop shadow design, then this is the way you can do it. Now we will use a simple technique that will make the drop shadow more realistic. What you need to do is just set up the location first and create the drop shadow like I told you. For example, like this, set up the position where you see it as a best fit, and then just duplicate this page and then get rid of all the other things. Just keep the drop shadow and then just copy this drop shadow, insert a new page and paste it right here. Make sure that the proportion of the square remains the same. It should not affect the size of it. Okay, now what we will do is I'll go to share and click on download and download it as JPEG file. Now this is my current page, is page number 3. So just download. Let's save it. And now I'm going to upload this again. I'll get rid of this drop shadow and paste this one right here. And now I can adjust that. Now if you notice that this is, I'll need to detach it from the background first. And if you notice, I'll send it to backwards. This is a picture now. This is not the actual drop shadow, right? So what we will do now is I'll set it up in the same way first. And then to create a more realistic look, I'll go to edit image, click on adjust and increase the blur. So now you can see that as I increase the blur, it is showing a proper drop shadow here. So see how cool it looks. And as lots of people say that it's not possible, so it is possible if you know the right techniques for it. So this is basically how you can create a perfect drop shadow by using a simple technique. Although the people who are saying that you cannot create a proper drop shadow, they are right in some way, because there is no direct option. But you have to think a way around of how you can find a technique to do the same job in Canva. So just practice that, and then I'll share with you some more amazing techniques in Canva.